Don't miss this 2011 Ford Focus. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a Sangria red metallic exterior. With 30,495 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.